For the Ferris wheel, the goal was to construct a wheel that would turn for 10 seconds and then stop, which symbolizes like the passengers going on and off the Ferris wheel, and then add lights to make it more colorful and appealing. And then for the house, the goal was to construct an alarm system where if like somebody or an object or something gets too close to it, lights flash on and alarm starts, and the lights and the alarm won't stop until the button is pressed and the whole process restarts. And there's 5 lights, so basically the farther you are from it, the less lights are on, and the closer you are to it, the more lights turn on, and then the closest, there's 5 lights that turn on, and then the alarm sounds. And then for the designing and building, for the Ferris wheel, I laser cutted 2 circular cardboard pieces like that, and then there's like the triangles inside, and then I added skewers in between the two circles, and then the carts to symbolize like where the passengers were sitting in, and then I also laser cutted the base and the supporting triangular pieces to stabilize the wheel and the motor. And for the house, I just laser cutted pieces of the like the triangles and the rectangles, and then put in the ultrasonic detector and the breadboard and the wires. I also had I also cut from the rectangles like a whole place so that you can once the object gets closer you can see the lights, and then the other side is so that the wires can go through. And then for the programming, that was my code for the Ferris wheel and the house alarm. For both of them, I had to use a setup and looping. And then for the rethinking and testing part, for the Ferris wheel, I would want it to look more appealing and more realistic, because right now, when it starts, it goes way too fast, and if people were actually on it, they would probably fall out and die. And I would probably make the lights next to or on the Ferris wheel next time, because sometimes you can't see it because it's on the breadboard. And then for the house, I would probably decorate it because right now it looks pretty plain. And then I would also try to make the lights more visible, because right now you kind of have to crouch down to see the lights. And then I would also only make it so that you can only see the lights. And then this is a demo.
Awesome. All right, thank you. Let's give a round of applause.